The honourable member for Rimbey, Rocky Mountain House, Sudbury, followed by Edmonton Manning.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Alberta taxpayers are about to give billions of dollars to a private company by handing over Alberta's golden goose to one of the wealthiest men in the world, and there's little Albertans can do about it. The current PC government set up the rules so that private companies can use public dollars free of charge. SNC-Lavalin recently announced they would be selling the golden goose, known as Altalink, to Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. Mr. Buffett is one of the world's wealthiest men. In simple terms, Altalink started as an $850 million company. Because they are a regulated monopoly, Albertans guarantee Altalink an annual income of approximately 9%. The public, by law, must pay for all of Altalink's capital improvements. It is truly a corporate golden goose. Over the last 10 years, Alberta ratepayers paid 100%, billions, for new towers, poles, wires, and cables. This public investment increased Altalink's value to $3.2 billion. You do the math, Mr. Speaker. The sale of Altalink to Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is nothing more than a publicly funded subsidy that SNC-Lavalin reaped to the tune of a $2.35 billion profit. What do Albertans get for their investment? The Fraser Institute just published a report yesterday confirming Albertans pay some of the highest costs for electricity in North America. It's no wonder why Mr. Buffett is considered one of the shrewdest investors in the world. This newly purchased golden goose has a guaranteed income of 9%, and the public will pay 100% to increase his investment to as much as $9 or $12 billion over the next 4 years. Mr. Buffett will truly enjoy his PC-created golden goose at every dinner, but it's the ratepayers of Alberta that got plucked.